I'm Devendra Mishra. I'm leading Novenco Building Industry for South Asia. Novenco is basically into the energy saving, and we are providing the biggest energy saving in the world. We are basically into the HVAC. We are like commercial building, hospitals, hotels, industrial segments, textile industry, and we are providing power saving up to 50 to 60% on that. This company is from Denmark, and we are in India from 2019, and we are having a very good response from the market. We have done a very good power saving in various segments. So this is our specialization. So we are very regular to CII, and we are getting a lot of direct connect to the end users. So we are getting a very good support from CII, and this platform is very good for our business. So we are getting direct connect to the end users from the various. Like if you'll see today, we got connected a lot of cement industry plants and these power plants. So all these top people who are taking care of the sustainability business. So we are getting connected with them. Thank you.